This is a rigid shop vac. Pretty much any shop vac that's over 5 horsepower should work for this. If you're using like a household vacuum or a small shop vac, it may not be enough to get out big clogs, but it should be fine for regular maintenance if yours isn't that clogged up. Next is I have this attachment. This is a diffuser. If you're a car person, that's not a cold air intake. What it does is it makes it so the air that, because when you're drawing in air from this side, it has to blow air out that side. It makes it so it doesn't blow as much air, so it doesn't knock stuff over and you don't get dust back into people's houses. And then inside here, inside the vacuum, I use these dust collection bags. If you just use the regular vacuum without them, then the lint eventually will clog up your filter and you won't be able to use it. All right, so here is my bag. Let's start with the front. This is where I carry into every dryer vent cleaning job. I got these. These help me slide out machines if it's on a hard surface. This is an air shim. This is if the machine is really big and I need help lifting it to get these on. This really helps. And then I also have these for carpet. Next is over here. When I'm cleaning out the lint trays, sometimes stuff gets caught in the sides. So I use this toothbrush. Actually, I use this toothbrush a lot. And then I have this pick thing that could get into those small spots. Over here, I have these so I could cut the wires of the vents. Here I have a step stool, which works obviously as a step stool, but I also sit on it when I run my rods, because if you do a lot of these, you don't want to be bending over or sitting on the floor. This isn't just a scrap piece of paper. I use this paper to do my airflow test. Now I have my rods, and I'll leave a link for the rods that I recommend, but try to estimate how high your roof is going to be, or the roof that you're doing is going to be, and then get enough. They come with 4 of these rods in the package with the brush. So the brush loosens everything up, and then the vacuum sucks it up. It all gets sealed in with this, and that comes with the kit. You also get one of these brushes with the kit for doing the lint trap. I have this attachment to get in deep. And then I also have this attachment. This came from an Amazon package, and then I could put this on top of there to get even more length. I got my drill, Ryobi drill. Try to use a good drill because those big clogs need the power. So I have this, and then this I could also install bird guards in the cement block and vents in the cement block. I keep some glass cleaner, a little bit extra. I like to spray down the machine when I'm done and wipe it off so it has a nice shine. Microfiber rag. Sometimes the vacuum doesn't get it all, so I have a microfiber rag. Then I always have 2 of these clamps with me, and then I'll bring a dryer flex so I don't have to go back into the truck and get one. If I sell them one of these, dryer flex is the only dryer vent I would recommend, and if you have one of these, I would change it. And if you want to see, next I have this. This lets me see the temperature inside the dryer. The temperature should be like around 130 degrees. I keep a level with me to level out the machines. And then I also keep some shims with me, also to level out the machine. Some safety goggles over there. Sometimes I need these screws for sheet metal. This is a kneeling pad, and that's about it. That's all it takes to do dryer vent cleaning. I also have my ladder here. This one is for 1 stories. And then on top of the truck, I have my ladder for the 2 stories. And if you guys want to see how to actually clean the dryer vent, check out this video over here. Thank you.